Nintendo Switch. Let me show you what's going on. So apparently this was the product of our local big chain butcher. Broke the connector and then told the customer they had a board problem. Well, they do have a board problem. The connector is technically on the board. So it will be our task to solve this today. So we'll disassemble and go from there. For your orientation purposes, we'll be working in this area of the board. That's where the SD card connector is. For this case, I'm going to pull a donor connector off the board while I'm setting up my equipment. Let me throw up my expected temperatures for this job. These temperatures are brought to you by the Amazon Associate links in the description. If you head to my video description and click on one of these links and buy any of this equipment, or if you buy anything during that session, a small portion of that purchase will go to supporting the channel. And I greatly appreciate you. It won't cost you an extra dime. Pull this connector, I'm just going to heat it from below. This is a donor board, which means I would like to not burn these other connectors that I might need for other jobs. Nice clean pull. We'll remove the connector using the exact same method. Nice clean pull. I'm going to add a little unleaded solder to that anchor point. It looks a little bit dry. Place the new connector. We actually get properly aligned. Heat from below again. See everything wet. I know some people will be wondering about all the stuff underneath. As long as you don't make contact with the board, knock it around, or accidentally hit it, those parts are going to stay in place just fine. Surface tension will keep the parts on the board. That's the area we were working in. Nothing has moved. Everything on this side looks solid. I have some concerns about that first pin. I'm going to try and work it by hand. And for this particular case, I will use leaded. We definitely got it that time. Excellent. I'm not so sure about the last pin either, so we're going to go ahead and try and do it as well. And we got it. Everything looks good. What's left to do is put it back in the housing, and we can test it real quick with just a blank SD card I have laying around. I hope this video is being helpful to you on your repair journey. Just a reminder, if this is beyond something you want to try yourself, I offer these services. Just head over to micromage.repair, click on free quote, fill out the form, and I'll respond to you personally. Well, now we find out if it has any other problems. Alright, that's a good sign. And grab this blank SD card. It gave us the error that we're expecting, which means it's picking up the SD card, and this problem is solved. If you got value out of this video, I think you'll get value out of this one too, and I'll see you there.